Problem-solving skills.
Problem-solving.
Problem-solving.
Creative problem-solving.
Logical thinking.
Problem-solving.
Logical thinking. Efficient thinking, creative thinking.
Analytical skills, problem-solving skills.
Critically think.
Critical thinking.
Problem-solving.
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 I think computer science is valuable because it helps people approach things logically. And so you get a problem and you have to figure out how you're going to solve it with the tools you have / the tools you don't have, but how to get those tools as well. So it's certainly helped a lot in like math. Like there are a lot of concepts that are like given that I understand quicker, or I can figure out how they work better because of my background in computer science in these classes.
It extends also towards math and more importantly reasoning, because we see that when following a logical sequence of events to complete a project, you need specific reasoning skills that translate to solving math problems.
And it's practice at a logical thinking structure. So much like math, you have to do things in an exact way, but in a creative way. For computer sciences, you have to figure out how to write a code that gets something done efficiently, but as well as actually functioning and doing something, without throwing too many errors or taking too much time.
But I see it's also valuable in that it teaches you a lot of analytical skills. A lot of this is, although you can be creative, you have to know, you have to be good at math and understand the formula and how the program works.
Yeah, that mindset just really helps with all STEM classes, I think. And STEM classes, math and science, are core curriculum. So anything that can enhance your learning ability in those classes, I think, is really helpful.
You learn how to kind of think in a different way, in a really logical way. To think of something and then to write it in code, that process, being able to kind of translate what's in your mind onto like a program or something like that, really takes a lot of critical thinking. So thinking in a very logical kind of like pattern or step-based way is something that is a skill that you gain in these classes.
It's allowed me to see things in a different perspective, and it's also allowed me to think outside the box, which has been helpful with all of my classes. So definitely has helped.